Sunshine here. Say hi, Sunshine. Hola!
Okay.
And today we have day number 19. And today it's something lumpy and squishy.
Lumpy and squishy. Cream cuts? No, we've already had some of them. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Oh! Flowers!
Beautiful flowers. These are our Chantilly flowers in this gorgeous little ivory kind of tone, which go beautifully with our Juniper and Sage collection from day one. These are just lovely, and you can actually also paint these if you wanted, say, purple flowers. Use some of the purple from our watercolor pencils. Create, as I said, to hold the pencil, create some watercolor paint on and paint the edges of them, and these will become purple flowers. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with day number 20. Not long now, almost Christmas.